Out here trying to get another run in with the Tekno MT410. Found a nice little space out here. You can see, cool little spot. We'll see if I can find some nice jumps and stuff like that out here. Hopefully I don't be taking shots to the ground. You know, hack camming is tricky business. So we're gonna do our best. Get some good video. That on the camera. Thought that was a cool way to get up on the mower has been here. And then get it. I don't got a light switch, so I can't turn off the light kit, guys. I just gotta live with it. This is a nice little jump that I found. Like this little servo I got. It seems to be nice. I don't know how much battery I got left. I didn't charge it up. I just came out here to run this one, run it out with this one, this truck. Oh. Make sure we ain't losing body clips. Still trying some new body clips. Hopefully they working out real good. The field is still wet. racing stars, no punk, guys. A long shot. I like the wideness of this truck, man. You can get nice hard turns with it. She's gonna need some cleaning. Seems okay. Oh, this thing can get them wheelies. Oh. There it is. Take a little work, huh? It's a cool day. I don't got no fan. It's a cool day. It ain't mattering. Not mattering. Oh, I think that shut off, guys. That was it. That was fun. I'm not carrying it back to the car. I'm gonna walk it back. Well, I'm back at the car. She's filthy. It was still wet out and muddy. I expected it might be. Lights came out of the bezels. Some of those hard hits. Bezel flipped forward and let the lights came out. So I might have to come up with something for this. In the meantime, I enjoyed that immensely. DKS Hobby out.